Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you very much for coming back. In today's video, it's going to be a short one. I got some magnetic lashes and I just want to show you how I put them on because I am on the struggle bus when it comes to lashes. Most of my videos I don't have lashes. Some of them I have a video where I try to put the glue on lashes and you saw that. So I'm not too good with lashes, but I bought the magnetic one. I tried it, I like it, so I figure I'll show you how I put it. I'm going to put liner on first before I put the magnetic liner also. This is how I put it the last time, so I went this way and I'm doing all of this with no makeup because I want you to see what it looks like without having a full face of makeup. This is the line I have on, the Kiss lashes that I got. I store them back in this little box because it's pretty cute how it is. This is the liquid liner. I store them in here because I love it. When you take it off, I take it off like this. Alright, open it. It's all, there's a little magnet. Okay, I'm being gentle, I don't want to rip it apart. And there are little magnets. I don't know if you can see them. Maybe you'll see them better this way. Little magnets. All around. I think this is so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This look like 5 little magnets. And then when you get to put it back in here, let me turn this around this way. It snaps in place because it has two little one magnet here, one magnet here, so it just clips in place. I like that. It doesn't move. Now what I do, I shake this and I'm going to use the magnetic liner over the line I put because I don't know if the magnetic liner will cause any problems for me, so I take precautious measures. I don't have my contacts, so I am leaning over towards this mirror right here. And I take the liner and I put it on over the liner I have. I want to make sure I put enough. I don't want this to get my eye, I don't know. I used it the last time and it was really good. So you see I have it. Now I let it dry a little. Can you see? I don't know which one's the left, which one's the right. I just know that when I'm using the lashes, the shorter section of the lashes, I put this way. Because I put the other way around where the longer side is on this side and it bogs right here on the side of my eye. So I realized the shorter pieces, the shorter part of this, the shorter part of the lash has to be on the inner corner. So you have that nice flare. So that's what I've learned. So making sure I don't do that. I want to take it out nicely because I don't want to rip it off, because knowing me, I'll pull and it will just go ploops. Okay, let's see which side is longer. Okay. Okay, we have it right. This side is shorter than this side. Now, oops, this is hooded eyes for you. You see this? I opened my eyes too wide and I got this. My hooded eyes. I opened and my hooded eyes like this. So here we go. That's what happens when you have hooded eyes. So now I'm going to take this and go like this. I am not a professional at lashes. I'm just showing you how I put my magnetic ones. And that was that. This is it. It's on. If I want to move it, I can move it. If I want to put it somewhere else, I can. This is how easy my magnetic lashes was for me to put on. Isn't that nice? So I think I'll be wearing lashes. I didn't put any mascara on my lashes. I just want to show you how I put the magnetic lashes. Make sure it sticks. And if I want to take it out, I go like this and it releases. Now I'm gonna put it back on because I want to put both of them on. But I had no problems. I was like, dang, this is good. Just like that. My lashes are on. Make sure they are on and they're not falling off. Did I go too far on one end? I could. Maybe it needs cotton, but for now, this is it. I don't think it needs cotton. I think it's fine. This is my lash. Okay, I have the glue for the other one, the magnetic glue. This I was trying to take off just like this. This is on, honey. This is on. This is coming out. Okay, and now we're ready to do the second lash. I'm telling you, I think I'll be addicted to this magnetic lash. The way it's going on easy, I think I will be addicted to lashes because I'm not a lash person, but boy, I am liking this. Okay, now the second one. Let's see if I can get the second one on as quick as I get the first one on. I'm trying to go as close as possible to match the first one. I don't know if it's dry yet. Is it dry yet? Both eyes are different, so different, because like I say, one hooded more than the other, so I have to play with both lashes to see. Okay, so my lashes are on. I can actually put lashes on. So the space right here, if I go too far down, it will annoy me here. If you notice, it is short here. I'll come closer. If you notice, and then I'll move my mirror because I want to see. Right here, I try not to go too far because if I do, this will irritate me. If you notice, this is short. As we go, it gets longer and longer and longer and longer. But my lashes are on. They're the Kiss Magnetic Lash. Kiss Magnetic Lashes. I can actually even put my glasses on and it doesn't bother my glasses, it doesn't touch it, so I'm glad for that. And it is the Yeah, there are 5 magnets in the lashes. Yeah, and it's a long-lasting, reusable, no smudge, biotin infused formula, and it has 5 magnets for secure hold. And this one is number, it says new, and there's a number 97381, and then KMEK07. New magnetic eyeliner, easy liquid application. That's the front. That is the back. And I have lashes on. I know I have this little thingy here, but I'm not worried about it. But I have lashes on. Lashes, can you see? I know I have this here. This is my hooded eyes. I forgot I should not have opened my eyes all the way, and I did. And that's my little ding, but this is it. I close my eyes, I open, lashes. I have lashes. You see them? Can you see them? I mean, this is really cool, right? I have lashes. I'm just gonna put a little bit of something on my eye, so you can see. My thing is still there, so. Lashes, so you can see. These are my lashes. I'm not doing a makeup today. I just want to show you my lashes. Just something quick so you can show the lashes that I have. Right? Maybe I should get a big, bad, bold one. But for now, I'm playing with this. And this is how I put my magnetic lashes on. I like it. Next time when I'm doing it, I'll put mascara on my lashes first and then put those lashes, so that'll make it look more vibrant. But today was just to show you how me, who has such trouble putting lashes, can put magnetic lashes on, and it goes on, boom. That's it. That is the short video. Please. I just like that I can put lashes. I am so happy I can put lashes. That's it. Well, I hope you did like this short little video on magnetic lashes. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is important. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, with lashes, will see you in another video. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye.